Hi Ranjit, good afternoon. So here's a one CX problem I solved for one of the pharma arm of Reliance where they were facing the legacy success rate issue with Razorpay. So earlier the account manager was separate. Recently I got the handover of that account and understood that the merchant is not ready to route any traffic to Razorpay due to the legacy issue of success rate. I sat with the cross-functional team. They went into it, but since we were not getting traffic for more than 6 months, we were not able to get fresh payment IDs or the fresh logs with which team can work into it. So what the first thing I did, I sat with the merchant, convinced the product manager over there to at least route the traffic for 1 hour so that we have fresh payment IDs and the fresh logs. Somehow they got convinced and they routed the traffic to us and we got it. Now, when we sat with the fresh logs and the payment IDs, what we did is we even worked with the banks and the acquiring partners and found it that the root cause was that since the traffic wasn't flowing to that particular gateways, the gateways had deactivated those particular terminals, due to which the merchant was not getting any success rate, or we can say the very least success rate, and the merchant was not giving the traffic. So what we did, we applied for a fresh terminal and waited for another 10 to 15 working days, though bank stat is around 25 working days to give a fresh terminal. But with our push and the banking team's push, we got those terminals within 10 to 15 working days. Now, when I asked the merchant to start routing the traffic, they found a good success rate on UPI. So they tested it only with 5% traffic and then ramped up to 10%, then 15, and today we have more than 50% traffic. So our GMV grew from around 100x GMV grew over there and 150x net revenue grew over there. And once we solved for UPI, we also solved for their card and net banking issues. And today we are making good GMV and good NR with this merchant. Thank you.